Yeah, we could miss it. I mean, we need tickets, right? Why are we going up again? Okay, we gotta figure out how to get tickets. It says something here in Danish. Hey explorers, it's Nat from the Traveling Foxes and welcome to another vlog here in Copenhagen. So today is mine and Cress's free day. I mean, this is a vacation, so we're technically free to do whatever we want, but what I mean by free is we don't really have an itinerary today, so we have decided to try out a singles court here in Copenhagen. It's going to be a bit of a trip going there because it's in a stadium, so stadiums are normally really far away from the city, and Cress will bring us there. I think we're gonna have to ride the bus, the train, and walk a bit. For me, that's always a good opportunity to kind of explore as well. And also I'm really excited because it is our first time to try out a singles court. One of the difficult things about paddle is always finding 4 players. So yeah, it's really exciting that we could just play me and Cress and just do a bit of training and just try it out, because for me, what I'm excited about is I get to practice both sides of the wall, both left and right, in one go. So let's see how we go. So where are we going first?
Train station.
Train station, okay. It's a 7-minute walk to the train station, so it's kind of cold today actually. The past few days was really sunny, if you saw from the previous vlogs. Okay, we gotta figure out how to get tickets. It says something here in Danish.
I think we're gonna make our turn.
Yeah, we could miss it. I mean, we need tickets, right? And I think trains here probably arrive, I don't know, every 5-10 minutes, so I think we're fine. We left earlier to make sure that, you know, I could possibly just go there and enjoy coffee before the game. Why are we going up again?
No, that's where we can buy tickets.
There's no machine here? Oh gosh. Maybe Netto?
You wouldn't know where we can buy tickets for the train?
I think the best thing to do for you, so you are not be stressed around, okay,
Yeah.
where to buy this and this, go download this one, race coach.
Okay. Do we need one each?
Yeah.
No.
Only
Okay.
one?
Not together, no.
Okay. I can check in 2 people.
Exactly,
Yeah.
so that's the most easy way to go around, and actually it's the cheapest way.
Thank you! Guys, if you didn't get that clearly, you need to download an app. That one. How do you pronounce it?
Rejsekort.
Bicycles.
Rejsekort.
Bicycles. So we're having problems with getting the OTP to be sent to either of our mobile numbers, and if we can't get any OTP sent, we won't be able to register our account. Both our numbers are Filipino, so
Just some feedback. I was trying to set up some banking stuff earlier. When I spoke to my service provider for my phone in the Philippines, they said I had to activate roaming. So it could be that because we're using an eSIM that we're not receiving some OTPs.
yeah, but that shouldn't be a problem because
This is just what the
yeah,
guy
I
told
know.
me.
But then our Filipino SIM is still active. It's just not data. Unless some OTPs require internet data, which I highly doubt because it normally goes through SMS, unless it's sent through WhatsApp. All right, so we're gonna do another thing, guys. We are going to turn on roaming. So that's a waste of like 500 pesos just to see if we're gonna receive the eSIM. Still not sure if it's going to work, but we'll try it. Turning on roaming did not work. We also went into 7-Eleven to check if they have train cards for sale. I think in other stations you can do that.
Yeah, in the main metro station you can buy a bicycle.
Yeah.
But I guess in a smaller station, you can't buy it here.
Yeah, you can buy it here. So last option is we will book an Uber. Might be pricey, but we already also booked the courts and it's non-refundable because we just booked it this morning. I got you a snack from 7-Eleven to make you feel better.
Thank you.
That was such a delayed thank you. Can't distract us, he can't multitask. And he's thinking of other options, but it's too late for us to go biking there. Maybe we bike back so it's not too expensive. So he just checked, it's 370 375 kroner, that's around 3,000 pesos for one way. So when we played Padel in Copenhagen, it was 500 kroner per hour, which is around 4,700 pesos. And then we found a further one, the singles court, and it was cheap. It was around 150 kroner. And we're thinking, we're gonna get the train there, so it's gonna be, it's really budget friendly. And then now it ends up to be approximately the same price with the Uber. Oh well, stuff happened. Is that our Uber?
Hi. A roaming number, sometimes it's causing
some problems. Then I call you. I can't hear you.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, I can check where you go to. Second, my friend.
Going to Racket Club Arla Arena.
Okay, I 2 seconds. I will put the information here. 300. And then
Racket Club Tostrup, Arla Protein Stadion.
2 seconds. So this sheet of listening I will take first. With everything with information here, so no problem. I have here now.
You have
Now
it?
it's
Okay.
Oops. Yes, I can find here. It's in the Tostrup. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Yes, yes.
We have made it. There is a restaurant. We could have eaten here if we came early.
Let me just check. I think it might be on the other side.
That was quite a trip though, guys. That's why it was over 300 kroner.
Right on the other side. This was, I think, go-karting.
Oh, and yeah, it's cool though.
So I used ChatGPT while we were in the car. And apparently ChatGPT is pretty good at finding out where you can buy Reisekort. So it said close to the other location we're at, there's a station not too far away, but I haven't actually looked at that distance. But I've also checked the train station close to where we're at now. Apparently they sell it. So when we're going back...
So we don't have to spend another arm and a leg to go back.
Is this the most expensive paddle?
No, it's not the most expensive paddle, considering Copenhagen paddle is 500 kroner.
But that was an hour and a half.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
I thought it was 500 an hour.
No.
So the driver dropped us off in the wrong spot, but it's okay. This is our warm-up. We're still gonna make it on time, right?
I think we're early.
Okay.
Look what you done. Took a living woman and turned her into stone. I guess I should be thankful. You gone cause you chew with your mouth full. You, I should've run once I figured out that you can't work your tongue. I guess I should be grateful. You're gone, I mean that.
Massive.
Single courts?
Rules for single court. I've never tried.
We're supposed to research.
Oh no. Wonder if there would ever be a day where the Philippines would have this many paddle courts in one location. Here. At the end, no? That's so cool.
I figured out that you can't work your tongue. I guess I should be grateful. You're gone, I mean that shit was painful. Like I said, I'm really glad you're gone, but I'm sad to see what I've become. I was burning like a girl on fire. Then you came around and put it out. You really made me think we were lovers. I let you in and underneath my covers. All I wanted was a hot girl summer, but I'm a cold bitch now, what a bummer. You really played my heart like a drummer, mentally drained me kinda like a plumber. All I wanted was a hot girl summer, but I'm a cold bitch now, what a bummer, yeah. Who you think come. I was burning like a girl on fire. Then you came around and put it out. You really made me think we were lovers. I let you in and underneath my covers. All I wanted was a hot girl summer. But I'm a cold bitch now, what a bummer. You really played my heart like a drummer. Mentally drained me, kinda like a plumber. All I wanted was a hot girl summer. But I'm a cold bitch now, what a bummer. Bummer, yeah.
All right, guys. 1 hour of single court, single side or whatever you call it, is actually really tiring. Normally book around 2 hours, but with this, like, you really have to run both sides. You also have to protect your side, but I feel like it's bigger and it's really good for endurance training and also just getting acquainted with both sides at a time. So yeah, I had a lot of fun. I really like the venue. It's super nice. It's still within Copenhagen, but a bit further. But such a nice place, and I'm sure it's easy to get a booking here because there's so many courts. I think there's how many courts?
18.
18 courts total, guys, in this arena. So yeah. So just gonna finish my coffee, and yeah, we're gonna find our way back. Hopefully we could buy some train tickets because an Uber back is going to be too expensive. Well, this looks like a massive train station, so I'm sure we could buy tickets here. So there is a machine. There actually is a machine where we were. So we wasted a lot of money on Uber. There. Learn something new every day. Well, we didn't check.
We went down, looked down.
Yeah.
We're looking at the top.
So lesson learned, guys. Always check every single ramp of the train station in case you spot one ticketing thing. But oh well. Anyway, I'm going to be closing the vlog here. Fun experience riding an Uber and back and trying a single sport for the first time. And later today we're actually going to have some pizzas at home. So yeah, I'm gonna close it here. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye.
I think is that the last? Didn't she see how?
You got the last cake, perfect. Should I get something else? What is this? I just had an epiphany. So I asked one of my friends what she wants for pasalubong to take back to the Philippines. And then she said, no, she said cookies. And it makes sense now. Because Danish are known for their Danish cookies.
Pastries.
No, cookies. You know, like when you go to any supermarket in the Philippines, you have Danish cookies.
So basically we're gonna go to the supermarket in
Manila.
Manila and buy cookies.
Cookies.